blow up that thing?
Yeah.
Is there a magic in that?
Who did?
Who was that? That was me. Is that real?
That burps, bro.
That was a fart.
Burp.
Seems awfully convenient.
Hey, if anything, this proves the
Oh, you're so lucky you didn't hear that.
Yeah, you burped, yeah, whatever.
As I listen to this.
Oh.
Did you hear that? Okay, question. Super serial question. When y'all eat rainbow sugar ice cream, trademark,
Yeah?
do you like to eat one flavor at a time, or do you like to get like
All of them in my tummy.
all of them in one scoop? Or is there like a flavor where you're like, I don't like this one that much, so you try to eat that one first, so that way you only have the two best flavors left?
So Ikers, what we're looking for?
It's heroic.
Flavor. Taste out of it. I'll pause it.
I can't. I'm playing with. Oh.
I think it's bad. No, bro.
What's the other team, Lucio? Don't get.
So?
Don, why are you so sensual with it?
That's why.
Just hit the respawn
Yo,
button.
Samo
Change
double
character.
God, that shit was stressing me out. Oh yeah.